It's cold out there, and with the cold weather that brings snow and ice and slippery road conditions here in Indiana. And with slippery roads, that means more auto crashes. You may know that I'm a proud and relatively new owner of a long-range Tesla Model 3. One of the first things that I did whenever I got that Tesla was install a USB drive to take advantage of the Dashcam and Sentry Mode feature with the hopes of never having to use it. Well, today as I was driving home, I have my very first Tesla Dashcam capture. I'm driving home from work just like I do every single weekday, going south on Keystone in Indianapolis. And road conditions were definitely becoming increasingly icy and slippery. And the culprit? The driver of this obnoxious blue Dodge Ram pickup truck. We both travel through the yellow light. He changes lanes behind me just before the next light. And he's just unable to stop on the slippery road. Within a split second, the light changes and I pull away. The contact was so slight that I didn't even notice. I looked in the rearview mirror and thought, that truck is pretty close. So I just got home and decided to do a little investigating. No damage whatsoever, not even a scratch, just this little dirt print right through here. So I'm not really too worried about tracking the Dodge Ram driver down. But I thought this would be a pretty good test of the Tesla Dashcam quality and figure out if I could use it in an emergency if I needed to. With a little enhancing.
Enhance. Enhance. Enhance.
Just print the damn thing.
I was able to blow up the truck's license plate with some mixed results. Again, there was no damage, so I'm not worried about tracking down this driver. But the combination of the snowy conditions and the resolution of the dash cam, I didn't feel great with the results. But if anything, this is another example of the Tesla having fantastic technology and being a feature-packed vehicle. And yes, while I didn't have Tesla Autopilot on during this case, I trust it way more than the other drivers around me. But I'll save that rant for another video. Just a reminder, make sure that you have your USB drive and your Tesla Dashcam ready to go just in case of an emergency. And guys, please slow down out there and stay safe in the icy road conditions, and I'll catch you in the next one.